Had the front wheels off yesterday, brake drums off. Wheel bearing on this side is seized, so I couldn't get to see the shoes. Need to make some sort of contraption to try and pull the hub off of this side and replace the wheel bearing. I don't think it's urgent at the moment. I've adjusted all the brakes up correctly for the MOT, so we'll see what happens. It may need to come off this week. Been under here and greased up the kingpins. Everything looks okay, can't find any problems with it. Here you can see the tow bar extension, tow ball and step. Another view of the tow ball with the reversing light and fog light. The fog light now works. I cabled that up to the front fog lights. Fog light switch on the dash was broken, so I found this old orange illuminated switch and extended the cables to the back of that. If I can find an original Mercedes switch, it'll be a simple swap. Just pull that out and put the other one in. Added some tape to the headlights so the dip just goes up and down rather than to the side of the road, or if these are UK headlights they'd go to the side of the road, but they're European so they go to the middle of the road in this country. Not very good, so we need to put some tape on them just to stop that happening. Lovely sunny day today, end of February, going for the MOT on Wednesday. Back roller shutter open, got the bed there with the storage underneath. View inside the back roller shutter, you can see the bed in its position. And I've got the shelf on the right hand side where I'm going to build some storage on that another day, not today. Back of the kitchen almost finished, wastewater and freshwater bottles. Got some soundproofing and insulation on the bottom section there, and on the left you can see the 24 volt 12 volt to mains adapter for the fridge, and there's the back of the fridge. Another view from the driver's door, kitchen area, rock and roll bed, table. See right out the back door of the truck from here. You can also see the roller shutter near the kitchen is open. It's going to be great on a sunny day, opening that up, doing a bit of cooking. A bit like a burger van. It's the view from the camping door. You can see the kitchen, hob, sink, rock and roll bed on the right, and all the way through to the bed at the back of the truck. Roller shutters open. Lovely day, bright sunshine. There's a little table, 4-seater dining area. Made the table out of 12mm ply with a 1970s Caravan leg. Found this old Caravan step at a sale, £2. Rubbed it down and painted it fire engine red. Just about to see the battery box that I made strapped under the seat there. That's got the leisure battery in it, 110 amp hours glass mat battery. Need to cable that up next. So we've come a long way in 4 months, just over 4 months from bringing it back from Germany to where we are today. Hasn't been one of these van life videos which shows you, this is a screwdriver and this is how you screw in a screw with it. Well, this is a saw, and wow, look, it cuts wood. It's nothing like that. This has been a series of videos about converting a 36-year-old fire engine into a 4-person camper. If you are looking for some videos that show you how to use power tools, screwdrivers and imagination, have a look on YouTube. There's plenty of those there. I'm just going to go off for a drive in this thing. But this week, this Wednesday the, don't even know when it is, end of February, will be the MOT. So let's hope we get the MOT sorted out and the DVLA can do their magic and give me a proper number plate.